Hello friends, in this lecture we are going to learn about how Steemit pays money to the bloggers or to the curators, to the authors and the curators for the post that they have written on the network. Now for that you have to understand that the money that you're seeing here that they have paid out, it's not in US dollar actually, it's actually in their own currency, in their own coin, that is Steem or Steem dollars. You see, Steemit is a blockchain-based blogging platform, and it has a cryptocurrency. It is backed by a cryptocurrency known as a Steem. And whatever post you post on it or whatever upload you do on this network, you earn money through their cryptocurrency. Like here you can see this upload, this post has earned $458. From that, $253 are in Steem and $253 are in Steem Power. Now, what is Steem and what is Steem Power? You see, Steem and Steem dollars, there are two cryptocurrency. First, one is Steem and Steem dollars. Steem and Steem dollars are tradable cryptocurrency. You can, whatever money you earn in Steem and Steem dollars, you can convert them into your national currency, whichever it is, US dollars or Indian currency or a Japanese yen, whichever currency you have or your national currencies, you can convert them into your national currency. And let's first see what's the price of it currently. At this when I'm recording this video, the price of Steem is 0.86. it's to US dollar, it's against US dollar. You can see the price of Steem, and you can check it on CoinMarketCap. It's where all the cryptocurrency value are there in USD, and you can see the current value of Steem against US dollar is 0.86 per US dollar, and Steem dollar it's 0.96 per US dollar. So what this person has on $458, from which 253 Steem dollars, so 0.86. So if we calculate, it's what he earned was, so what he earned was 253 Steem dollars, so 253.97 into 0.86. So he would get 218 US dollar, and yes, he will, by transferring this. Now, how to convert them into US dollar? It's very simple. It's not a very complicated measure to take. I will attach an article along with this video where you can read and understand how to transfer your Steem currency, how to convert your Steem currency into US dollar. So the way to do it is just, you will have to register to a cryptocurrency exchange in your nation, whichever is the nearest and the best cryptocurrency exchange to you. You have to just register to that network. They will give you a wallet address. If that cryptocurrency exchange has Steem currency listed on the network, they'll give you a wallet address where you can, and under this network in the Steemit, if you log in and you go to your wallet address, that it's just there only. You can see on the side that what your wallet is. You can ask to transfer your tokens to your exchange, and you can transfer your Steem currency to your exchange wallet address. There would be two wallet address. I'll attach an article along with this video to understand what a wallet address, how it looks, and you can transfer your Steem currency from this network to the exchange network, and from your exchange network, if it deals in the US dollar, you can sell your Steem currency to US dollar. The second method to convert Steem, if Steem is not listed on the cryptocurrency exchange, is to convert Steem into Bitcoin. That you can do with a website known as Changely. Changely is a website where you can transfer one cryptocurrency to another cryptocurrencies. For example, here we can just write and convert Currently Steam is not here, so okay, then there's another website known as Block Trades. It's a Steemit based cryptocurrency exchange. Under Block Trade, you can convert anything. You can convert Steam, like ST. You can convert Steam to Bitcoin or any currency you want. So what you can do, you can go to Block Trade. You can write what kind of a cryptocurrency, how much Steam or Steam dollars you want to transfer. If you want to transfer one Steam, then they'll give you about what estimation you will receive. Like one Steam, if you have one Steam, then you can convert it into, for example, if we write 53 Steam, you'll get 0.0065 based on current rates of Bitcoin. You'll get 0.0065 Bitcoins. If you see the price of Bitcoin on this network, currently it's, I guess, Bitcoin price is $6,363. So if you have 53 Steam currency, you will get 0.0065 Bitcoin, which would be approximately 100 or 218 US dollar. Then you have to just write down the wallet address of your Bitcoin wallet address and just transfer it. It's a Block Trades is a legitimate site for transferring Steam currencies into Bitcoins and blockchain. So you can just do that, and within 1 hour or 2 hours, whatever address you will put in this, the Steam currency would be converted into Bitcoin and that Bitcoin would be transferred to that address, and then you can sell those Bitcoin for US dollar or any national currency or your country's national currency and receive the money instantaneously. So Bitcoin pays the money. It might seem little tricky, but it's not much complicated. Once you do it, it's very simple to transfer money. Many people are just earning this money, and then they are transferring their currency into Steam dollars, into US dollars through this method. So it's not very hard. It might seem complicated, but it's not. It's very simple to do. The second thing is Steam Power. Now Steam Power is not a cryptocurrency. It is just a power on the Steam network. For example, if this guy earned 253 Steam Power, it cannot be traded. It won't be able to trade against. It won't be able to trade instantaneously against US dollar. It takes time. For example, if you have Steam Power, you can redeem it to Steam currency, but it would take approximately, I guess, Steam Power. So the thing is, if you're holding a Steam Power, you can power down Steam. Like for example, here it's saying you can power down the Steam Power and convert it into Steam, but it would take 13 weeks to convert the whole Steam Power into Steam. Yes, it takes 13 weeks. Every week it will convert 1/13 of your Steam Power into Steam, and then again you can transfer Steam to Bitcoin and then Bitcoin to US dollar. So that's how Steam Power works. And now why is it? It's to keep the network running. So what's the power of Steam Power? Why it's Steam Power? The Steam Power is it's not a cryptocurrency, but it's a power on the network which gives you, the more Steam Power you hold, the more you'll earn Steam and Steam dollars through uploading. That's the main thing. The more a person has a Steam Power on the network, the more they can use to upload, and they can earn more Steam or Steam dollars, which can then be converted into US dollar. That's how Steam Power works. That's the power of the Steam. It's a superpower on the network. That's the only thing why it is used on the network. So you can use Steam Power. If you can keep Steam Power with yourself, you can use that to upload various posts and then earn Steam and Steam dollars against it. Next thing that I want to talk about is DTube. DTube is a video logging platform such as YouTube, but it is also a Steam. It is also related to Steam blockchain based platform. Under DTube, it's like video logging. You do video logging, and if people upload your vlogs, you earn currency, you earn money. Like here also, it's the same thing as Steemit. The only difference is here you upload videos, there you upload blogs, you upload articles and everything. And here also you can see people are uploading just videos on the network, and they're earning like $29 an hour ago. This guy just uploaded this video an hour ago and he earned $29, $17. There are people who are earning daily $100. For example, you can see this guy, reseller. If you go on his network, I'll show you. He's been uploading daily 6-minute videos a day ago, and he's earning like $112, $185, $39 just on his post. He's earning money, and he's daily earning $200. It's his daily job. He just works for like 5-minute video or 8-minute video. It's a live video log, and he earns DTube. The major way to earn on DTube is through video logging. You can upload your own good videos, but even though you upload those videos, majorly the people earn is through video logging. So yeah, if you want to earn money, yes, you can earn money through your normal videos also. And if people liked it, the main idea is that people should upload it. So even if, like for example, this guy, he just uploaded this video. This woman, she just uploaded this video and she earned $17. The main thing is that you get upvoted. And the best thing about DTube is that you can register through Steemit. So you can register through Steemit. Yes, sign up on Steemit. If you have registered on the Steemit network, you can use your Steemit username, and you can use the key on it and log in on it. So you don't need to sign up again with it. I'll share an article about how to register on DTube. But if you're registered on the Steam, you can easily use your login ID password on DTube also. So thereby you can register on it, and you can share your videos, any kind of videos you like to share on the network, and you can earn money by just getting upvotes from people. So now this much for now. In next lecture we'll go on our second method about how to earn money, passive income with zero investment on different another method through Fiverr and online outsourcing jobs, and you can earn good money on that networks. Thank you very much.